Evan and Dom had both pretty much sworn off dating apps, but something nudged them to give it one last try. And as fate would have it, that brought them together. Their first date was at Evia Trattoria. It nearly didn't happen. Evan sat in his car, too nervous to get out, while Dom was locked in a battle with his car's parking system. They found each other at the table, bonded over DIY projects, a mutual obsession for Ryobi tools, and against all odds, they shared a first kiss, despite the lingering taste of balsamic vinegar from Dominic's dinner.
Dominic, you are the reason that I don't give up on my dreams. You push me to reach my goals. You count every hour with me as it goes into my logbook. While my hours flying an airplane get counted, what cannot be counted are the endless moments each day with you that make me feel like the luckiest man in this planet. Hello.
You look so handsome.
What are you?
I'm good, don't cry. You got it. It's here. You're doing great.
Thank you.
No tears.
Evan, as we seal this next chapter with a kiss, I can't help but think about our first date. I wasn't quite ready when you went in for that first kiss, so I asked for a second one. And from there, the rest was history. Before I knew it, we were buying Ryobi tools together, creating new memories, turning what was a house into a home, and so much more.
You can't cry. I have to cry. I know. You look so good. Love you. I promise to always cherish our moments together. I vow to never let a night go by where I don't tell you that I love you. You'll be my first thought each morning and my last each night as I fall asleep, and to support you in everything that life throws our way.
You brought out emotions in me I never knew I could feel. Love that is deep, steady, and full of joy. I know I can't promise to be perfect, but I can promise this. The energy for our love will never stop.
I truly love you, Dominic. I am eternally grateful and ready to spend the rest of my life with you, to take on challenges, to reach our goals, to be lovers, fathers, and friends, and from this day forward, to be husbands.
I'll keep showing up, growing with you, and choosing us every single day. I'm so excited to be your co-pilot through calm skies and turbulence, takeoffs and landings, wherever life takes us. I'm all in.
Evan and Dominic have in fact pronounced themselves husbands for life. You may now kiss for the first time as a married couple.
The start of something new. We feel the expectation. A new day waiting. Sky full of light breaking through. We feel our hearts exploding. Our story unfolding.
I still remember the first time that I met Dominic. Within minutes, he handed me the keys to his Tesla and let me drive it. I was like, okay, this guy's either crazy or he's the one. But in all seriousness, I knew pretty quickly that Dominic was someone special. He's incredibly kind, easy to talk to, and already feels like a best friend that I can talk to about anything.
There's a world of endless color, waiting for us to discover.
Dom, you've always had an incredible hunger for life, for knowledge, and how things work. Even as a toddler, you were thinking steps ahead. At age 2, you were already hunting down car keys and figuring out how to start the engine. Thank God for garages. That curiosity, that drive has always been a part of who you are.
Now, if you know Dom, you know that he's hardworking, passionate, and loyal. He has the kind of heart that doesn't ask for attention, it just quietly takes care of everyone around him. And then Evan walked into his life. From the very beginning, Evan fit right in. He didn't try to change us, he just embraced us. Our loud family weekends, our unique humor, our history and traditions. He welcomed it all like it was already his. And honestly, it feels like he's been a part of our family forever.
And then there's Evan's sense of humor. Let's just say it's unique. You never really know what's gonna come out of his mouth. But whether you're laughing, cringing, or both, he always finds a way to steal the moment. He's passionate, focused, and never does anything halfway. I mean, this guy got his pilot's license before his driver's license. Who does that? While the rest of us were figuring out how to parallel park, Evan was casually flying planes like it was nothing.
When I first met Dominic, he was nothing but kind, thoughtful, and he made me feel like he was genuinely interested in meeting Evan's circle. I left with no cautious feelings, no funny ideas. I breathed a sigh of relief knowing that Evan now has a man that will be there for him in more ways than I ever could be.
Evan, we are so grateful you came into Dom's life. You bring out a light in a way we've never seen before. Your humor, your warmth, your love, it all fits so effortlessly in our family. It's easy to see how the two of you are right for each other.
Evan and Dominic, as you embark on this beautiful journey of marriage, remember the true connection is more than knowing each other's favorite meal or movie. It's about empathy, respect, and choosing each other again and again, every single day.
And like any flight, the journey may come with a little turbulence, but every twist and every turn brought you to this destination, a beautiful life with the love of your life.